Mommy, what are we having for dinner?
Chicken and rice.
Aww,
It's your favorite.
I'm getting bored of it.
Well, let's see if we can spice it up.
But I don't like spice.
It's an expression. Come with me. We're gonna make our version of onigiri, which are Japanese rice balls.
Ooh,
I have this mold we can use to shape our rice into cats.
I love cat.
So we're gonna fill it with rice. Push it down like that. And then we're gonna press it together. Squeeze. And take our mold off. And look at that.
Aww, it's so cute.
So cute. Now I'm gonna use a piece of ham to cut out little ears.
I don't really like ham.